That's fucking adorable.
Yeah.
Is that on tape?
I'm sure it is.
I mean,
That is so fucking cute.
The picture's coming.
You'd have to sound edit this now before you can.
Before Grandma sees it.
I believe I can fly. You know, like that's the overtrack.
Mia.
Missed it.
Mia.
What Walt Disney song can I splice in here?
River.
You know,
What do you think of your dog?
Take.
What do you think of your dog, huh?
River, come.
all right.
She's just like over. Her brain is like on fire right now.
Frontal lobe firing.
Oh, we got the hiccups now.
Oh my.
Hey, Mia.
Yeah. Was that a puppy? Was that a puppy dog?
Where's River? Where's River?
Just does not stop being funny.
Where's River?
I would have to see the video because I can't see her.
Do you want me to hold her so you can see it?
No, it's alright. I can see that in the video. River.
If we can figure out how to get it on the computer.
River. It's too much. It exhausted me.
Now she comes.
This is like a formative developmental experiment right here. Like her brain capacity just grew like twice.
Oh my. I'm exhausted from that.